So the law of sines, I hope you remember to have your calculator on degrees instead of radians. We're going to say B, well, I mean, I could go for the whole thing, but I don't know anything about A yet. So I'll say B over the sine of B, which is 15, is equal to C, where's C? C is 20, over the sine of 125. All right, and then I can solve for B. I can say B times the sine of 125, is equal to 20 times the sine of 15. Okay, and then I'm going to divide both sides by the sine of 125. And when I do that, let's see, now I pick up my calculator. It's tempting to pick it up beforehand, but let's see, we say 15 sine, that's about a quarter, times 20, and that's about 5, and we divide by 125, the sine of 125, that's about 0.8, and we get B is equal to 6 point, they don't tell us what to round to, so we'll just pick two places, 6.32, and I guess they're centimeters, so B is equal to that. And now that we know B, we can find A, and well, we know the angle A, right? Angle A is equal to 180 minus the other two angles, so 15 degrees and 125 degrees, and if we do that, we're going to say it equals 40. 15 and 125 being 140. So I can say A over the sine of 40 degrees, because that's angle A, and it looks like 40, doesn't it? Is equal to, I guess we'll use C again. We could use B or C, it doesn't matter, but I'm using C. Okay, and so we have A is equal to, or A is times the sine of 125 degrees is equal to 20 times the sine of 40. And I will go ahead and divide by sine of 125 again. The sine of 125. And let's see, I will get A is equal to, what do I get? Sine of 40, it's bound to be about half, a little bit more, times 20, which is about 12 and 9.9, divided by sine of 125, and I get 15 point, we'll say 69. And I guess we found A up here too, angle A. Angle A is 40. So those are my three answers. Those are the three things I didn't know. Does that make sense that A would be about 15, 16? Sure, this is obviously going to be the longest side because it's across from the biggest angle. But then A is across from the next biggest angle, which is 40. And then we expect B to be quite small because it's only across from a 15-degree angle. So this makes sense. This holds up to the sniff test. And we've solved for everything we didn't know in the triangle.